You have built a beautiful dashboard, but the operators on the floor are ignoring it. In this video, we will explore the human side of OEE, why this happens, and how to fix it. A dashboard nobody looks at is just decoration. If the people on the line do not use it, it will not move your numbers. Adoption on the floor is the whole game. There are usually 3 reasons operators tune out. First, it is too complex to read at a glance. Second, it offers no feedback in the moment. Third, it feels like it belongs to management, not to them. To improve engagement, flip those 3 points. Make the experience simple, instant, and truly owned by the operator. When people see their own wins in real time, they lean in, and data quality improves. Engagement directly impacts output. For example, at Hutchinson, an operator-led approach helped move one line from 47% to 72%. Same machines, same people, but more output. If you want operators who actually use the system, start with a 60-day guided pilot on one line. You can book your pilot at the link shown here, and be sure to subscribe for more performance insights.